Okay, I needed to replace the right turn signal bulb because it had one of the filaments had burned out. The parking light bulb was still, the filament was still working, but the blinker, the turn signal lamp was not. And you can tell that because the blinker started flashing much faster, which signaled to me that there was something wrong, and it's because of the load had changed, so it started blinking faster. You may have experienced that pulling trailers or whatever, but instead of even though I'm still under warranty, or at least an extended warranty, I decided to try to do it myself. And so I couldn't find anything on YouTube explaining how to do it, nor did my All Data DIY have any instructions for it. So I decided to figure out and share this with those who may need to do the same thing. Just so you can see, all I had to do was remove this piece of plastic on top, which is sitting up here. It sits right in these holes. Hang this up here, and this hole here, and up here. I also had removed this bolt in anticipation of moving the headlight assembly, but I didn't have to. I also loosened this to get out of the way so I could get my hand up in there. Then it was just a matter of removing the using a screwdriver just to pry apart. It wasn't a twist. The gray harness, just pried that off of the back of the holder of the bulb, and then the black receptacle that holds the bulb was a twist, and I just used a pair of needle nose pliers to twist it out and then replace the bulb, as you can see here, which is about $10 from the local Toyota dealership. Probably could have gotten a little cheaper at an AutoZone, but now I will put it back. But I wanted to at least share with those. It's I don't know if you can tell down here, but it's, let me get the light. The replacement is, excuse me, the hole is right down in there, so you can see it right where the wires go by. That is the receptacle for the bulb harness. Okay, I know this video is not as good as some of the others that share this kind of stuff, which I'm very much appreciative of, but I thought I'd at least do my primitive video to help someone out. Bye.